Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to post longer videos to WhatsApp status. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Play Store. So if you are using Android phone, so simply open up your Play Store right here. So I'm going to click on here to open my Play Store. So after you open up your Play Store, come to the search, then come to search apps and game and type in video splitter for WhatsApp status. Click on that and then it takes you to so many video splitter that you can use for your WhatsApp status right here. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this one right here, video splitter. It's open up like so. As at the time of making this video, 1 million plus have successfully downloaded this app. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on install. After a successful download, next thing you need to do is to simply click on open. Then click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next, and click on got it. And you'll be taken right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on split video. Click on allow. Then from here, you'll be asked to select the video that you would like to use to split and post it on your WhatsApp status. So I'm going to click on here to choose one video right here. So the video I'm going to use is this particular one right here. This video here is more than 1 minute. So let me simply make use of this video. So what I'm going to do is to simply select the video. So it's going to take me to this particular page. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on WhatsApp split. So you can see right here, it has split the video to 30 seconds and 60 seconds. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this check mark right here to confirm. And you can simply click on done right here. Processing. So we have the two video now right here. So the first one here and the second one. And the next thing we want to do here is to simply click on share. Then you have it right here. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on WhatsApp. Then the next thing we want to do is to simply click on my status. Then we click on next. So what we want to do here, from the message here, we can simply cancel all the text right here and enter our new text. So you can say check this out. So this depends on the video you are trying to post. Next thing we want to do is to click on next. Sending status update. It's as simple as that. Then the video will be successfully posted into your WhatsApp status in a split format. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply post longer videos to your WhatsApp status without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.